Hello and welcome to a video tutorial showing you how to share a video file from inside Google Drive. My name is Tyler Osborne. Now there's various reasons why you might want to share a file from inside Drive instead of using a service like YouTube. For example, maybe your school division restricts teachers and students from using YouTube and you need an alternative service. Or perhaps you just wanted to avoid all the ads and Google Drive can help you with that too. So in this folder here, I have a whole bunch of math videos that I've already created. This tutorial is not going to show you how to create videos. That's in other tutorials that I've created. This assumes that you've already got your video. Now, if you don't have the video uploaded to Google Drive, that's very easy to do. Go to the New button and then File Upload. Once you click that, you'll have to select the video file wherever you stored it, and then I'll upload it. It will take several minutes because video files usually are quite a bit larger. So once it's been uploaded, now you're ready to share. So to share a video file, you click on the video that you want to share, and then you right-click and go down to the Share button. From here, you can enter the person's email address, or you could even enter a contact list. So for example, I have all my parents. So if I wanted all my 2017 parents right there, I could start typing that, and it would email them all a copy of this particular video. So press cancel on that. Now over here on the side, you have can edit, can comment, and can view. You want to set those permissions. The can edit, that person could actually delete the video, so you don't want that. Go down to view, and that's where you want them to be. That's where you want their permission to be set, so that they can see the video, but they can't do anything with it. All right, so into the advanced options. Here's a list of anyone who has access, if you've shared it with any particular people. At the top, you have that link that you can copy and paste and put into different things like an email. Or if you want to email them directly, you can email from right here and then set that permission access. At the bottom, we have prevent editors from changing access or adding more people. That's one I usually pick for video because videos are a lot of work, and I don't mind sharing the videos, but I don't want people to be taking credit. Disable options for download. That's another one that I typically will pick. Now for private, let's say I'm going to put this on a website, or I want my parents to be able to see it, and I'm just going to email them a link. I'm not going to add them individually like this. For private, I'm going to change that, and I'm going to turn it on so that anybody with the link can view the file. So this is a particular one that I use a lot on my websites, as well as when I'm sharing with parents. If I just want it to be within the school division, just within our domain, I might pick this one right here. Anyone at Battle River with the link could check it. Now yours is going to not say Battle River. Yours might say some other school division, wherever you're part of. Now I'm going to keep this one off because I don't share this particular video. And I'm just going to exit out. So once you've sent it to somebody, they might get a link in their email, but they could also end up finding it in the shared with me file right here on the side. So if you want to, or if they want to see it, they can find it and shared with me. Now they'll get the file like this, and if they just double click on it, it brings up the actual video like this, and they just play it. Now it looks a lot like a YouTube video, but it's not. The reason that it looks like a YouTube video is that YouTube is actually made by Google, and so the interfaces are basically the same. The key difference, though, is that there's no ads and no suggested viewings afterwards, which is a really great feature if you want to keep kids on task and focused. All right, that's all you need to know. If you like this video, please consider leaving me some feedback in my Google Forms on the website, or better yet, leave a comment on the YouTube channel. All right, thanks for watching.